What if I told you that learning trading could help you build the skills to earn even small amounts daily, like $1, without risking big investments? Stick with me for the next 1 minute and I will show you how beginners start safely. Explain that profitable trading requires knowledge, discipline, and practice. Mention free tools like demo accounts, paper trading apps, or simulated platforms where US beginners can practice without risking real money. Highlight that consistent practice can build habits that might lead to small daily gains once real trading begins. Stress that there's no magic trick. It's about learning strategies, managing risk, and starting small. So, while you won't get rich overnight, you can start building the skills today that may help you earn steadily in the future. Here's one extra step that makes a huge difference. Keep a simple trading journal. Write down what strategy you tried, why you entered the trade, and how it turned out. Over time, this record helps you spot patterns, avoid repeating mistakes, and see your progress clearly.